Aston Martin has officially revealed the Valkyrie LM, an ultra-exclusive, limited edition version of its legendary hypercar. With only 10 units being produced, this new model promises to deliver an experience as close as possible to racing at Le Mans, but for the fortunate few who can get their hands on one. Designed as a tribute to the brand's return to the top class of the FIA World Endurance Championship, the Valkyrie LM is essentially an unrestricted version of Aston Martin's Le Mans race car. It shares the same chassis, bodywork, and the monstrous 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine, but without the performance limitations imposed by FIA regulations. The result? A track weapon that could outperform even its race-spec counterpart. While the Valkyrie LM is engineered for the track, Aston Martin has reworked the cockpit to be more accessible for private owners. The interior still features essential racing components such as an FIA harness, carbon fiber bucket seats, and a fire suppression system, but also adds user-friendly elements, including a more intuitive interface and specially developed Pirelli tires compatible with conventional fuel. To further elevate the ownership experience, Aston Martin is offering an optional Arrive and Drive program. This concierge-like package includes everything from vehicle transport and technical support to professional track coaching and real-time data analysis, essentially giving buyers the full factory race team treatment. Deliveries of the Valkyrie LM are scheduled to begin in 2026. With each purchase culminating in an exclusive evening celebration at Aston Martin's headquarters. While pricing remains undisclosed, it is expected to exceed far the standard Valkyrie's $3.2 million base price. For 10 very lucky individuals, the Valkyrie LM offers more than a car. It offers a front-row ticket to the drama and thrill of Le Mans, with no racing license required.